Okay children, so up to now we discussed about the LCMs, finding the LCM using the prime factor method completed. Now finding the LCMs using the long division method. Okay, so division method, using the division method, how to find the LCM. So next heading you can write it LCMs by division method. Okay, so actually this is the method at present we are using more compared to the prime factor method. This division method only used by all the people commonly. So how to do the sums using the division method? First one, 144, 96, comma 160. And the second one, 135, 135, comma 126, comma 90. Okay, so these two sums we will do using the division method. So all in division method, all three numbers together have to do at a time division. And all the three numbers we have to do the continually do the division until we get the remainder 1 for all three. Okay, so now write down 44, 144, comma 96, comma 116. Now for this all in ones place 460 is there. So this number can be divided in the two table. So directly you can take it 2. 7 2s are 14, 7 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Next, 7 2s, 4s are 8, what is remainder? 2 8s are 16. Next again, 2 8s are 16 and 0, common. 72, 48 and 8. Next again, 2 table. 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are and 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8, 2 10s are again 2 table. So 2 18s are 36, 2 12s are 24, 2 20s are 14. Next again 2 table. 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12, 2 10s are 20. Again 2 table. 9 it is one divider, so directly you can write 9. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Now you can take it 3 table. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3 and 5. Okay, now again the 3 remainder, so with the 3 table 3 have to divide. 3 1s are 3, 1 it is already it is there and 5 you don't divide in the 3 table, so write directly 5. And last number it will be divided using the 5 itself. So 1 1 5 1s are 5. So like that 3 ones has to come as a reminder. Now all together whatever the numbers we used for the division purpose, that all have to multiply. So how many 2s are there? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so already we discussed about the exponent form. So that I am writing here 2 to the power of 5 into 1 2 3 repeated 2 times. So 3 to the power of 2 into 5. Now multiply this all and write the answer. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 3s are 96. So 96 3s are, do the multiplication, you will be getting 288 into 5. 5 4s are 5 8s are 40. Again 5 8s are 40 plus 4 is equal to 44. 4 is the remainder. 5 2s are 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. And the total is 1440. Okay, 1440. Next, second sum, same using the 3 numbers at a time how to do the division. So write down 135 comma 126 comma 90. Okay. So first start with the prime number 2. As in 1 plus 5 is there, 135 not divided by 2. So directly you can write 135. Next, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are, sorry, 2 3s are 6. Next, 2 4s are 8, 1 is remainder, 2 5s are 10. Okay, so 130, 135, 63 and 45. We'll check it in 3 table. Okay, 3 4s are 12, 1 is remainder, 3 5s are 15. Next, again 3 table. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Again 3 table. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Next, this all again can be divided in the 3 table. So write 3. 3 1s are 3, 1 is carried forward, 15, 3 5s are 15. And 21 in 3 table, 7 times it divide. Okay, and 15 in 3 table, 5 times it will divide. Now, 15 and 5 both can be divided in the 5 table, isn't it? So write down 5. With 5, 5 3s are 15, 7 and 5 1s are 5. Now directly you can take the prime number 3 here. 3 1s are 3, 7 and 1. And last number left over is 7. So directly using the prime number 7, you can divide remaining 7. So like that, all the 3 should become as a remainder. Okay, now which number has repeated more times once you count it? 2 repeated only 1 time. Next 3, 1, 2, 3 times. 3 to the power of cube into 5 into 7. Okay, now do the multiplication of all the prime numbers. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 5s are 90, 90 3s are 270, 270 into 7. 7 zeros are 0, 7 7s are 49, 4 is remainder, 7 2s are 14 plus 4 is equal to 18. 1890. Okay, so like this, how to do the division or LCMs using the division method. Okay, so based on this division method, in textbook remaining sums, how to do it in our Max notebook.